Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to share with you a product that I sold sometime in the past, and this product helped to generate over 7 million naira in profit. And this was in less than about 2 months, or within 2 to 3 months thereabout, but it wasn't up to 3 months, right? And I'm going to also share with you some experiences behind selling these products in my e-commerce journey. Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you is because you may likely encounter some of the issues that I encountered, and you may not know how exactly to go about it or what to do to overcome these kind of challenges, right? And because I've gone through this and I've experienced the challenges, I'm going to share with you the things that I did to help overcome some of these challenges and even got better results. Okay. Now, this is a product I imported from China for I think about 463 naira there, but I'm talking of kind of late 2018 and early 2019, right? I imported this product from China for about 463 naira. So, and I was selling it for 15,000 naira. Yes, I was selling it for 15,000 naira. And I know it's funny. That was when mini importation was a hot thing, when we were seriously doing mini importation and making money as very, very young boys in Nigeria who wanted to have a good life, right? So, yes, I'm going to share everything with you today and show you the products. You might like to sell the product, it might sell. I don't know. I'm not saying it's going to sell, but if you see the products, then you will realize whether it's going to sell today or not. Welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up, right? Yeah, just like this video so that more people get to see my video. If you're new to my channel and you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to this channel and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be the first, among the first people rather, to see my video whenever I publish any video. Okay, guys, no beating around the bush. Let's jump right into it. So, like I said some time ago, I sold a simple product that generated a huge sum of money for me. I was very young at that time, young and balling, right? But we knew what we were doing. We were doing mini importation and we were making crazy money doing it. Do you know what it means to sit in your house with your laptop and your phone, importing products, getting people to deliver them, selling these products and making money? You don't even have to look for a job anymore. I'm not saying that getting a job is a bad thing. I'm just saying that some of us decided on our own that we don't want to work for anyone at all, and we stick to it, right? But it's important. It's great that you work for someone and gain experience anyway. So the great thing about this product is that it can sell in any country: Ghana, South Africa, Canada, UK, United States, Brazil, Sierra Leone, Togo, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, wherever you're watching from, this product can sell in any country. And if you want to experiment it, you can do that. Yes, you can do that, okay? It does not require a complicated funnel again. Like you need to know, it does not require a complicated funnel to sell. A very simple, straightforward sales funnel is going to sell this product for you. All right? Because I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to go about it. Okay? So in this video, I will share everything with you. Now, this is the product I'm talking about here. It's called liquid. It's called portable electric pump. Okay, no, portable electric liquid pump. Now let's go to Alibaba and see how much it is sold now, because that's where I bought it from in 2018, 17, 18, 19. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, back in those days. Okay, portable electric pump, portable electric liquid pump. Some use battery though. Some use battery. Many of them use battery. Let's look for what we are looking for. Let's keep searching. We're going to find it, hopefully. This was where I imported from, Alibaba. Boom, here we go. This is what we are looking for. This, look at this stuff here. Look at another one here. All right. So you can see it's very cheap still. $1.89. Okay, so less than $5. This is the product we are looking for. Exactly this, right? Let's check it out. Yes, this is the product here. This is the product here. You see, so you use these products now to pump whatever you want to pump, be it fuel, be it whatever. But the angle from which I sold it was from the angle of fuel, right? You pump fuel from any object to another object, as simple as that. So you can see this one. Place the pump in the gallon and directed the hose here in the car. And once you push that button, it pumps straight into your car. As simple as that, right? Some use battery. This is how it comes. This one uses battery. As you can see here, this is where the battery will be placed in this angle here. Let's look at it here. Exactly, two batteries here. This is where the battery goes in, and then you cover it, right? Once you push this red button at the top, once you push this on and off button, once you click toggle it, right? Once you toggle it on or off, it will start pumping the products, the liquid. All right. Now let me tell you something that happened when I was selling these products. I bought from China for 463 naira. Okay, now it should be around, this one is saying $1.89 to about 30 something dollar. This one is saying it's $3. So it's still less than $5. It is still less than $5. This one is selling for $2.75. So if you're in Nigeria, this thing is still less than 1,000 naira. This is it here. This is it here. It is less than 1,000 naira, or it's still less than 1.5. So if you want to sell it, you can still make profit, right? Even if it's 5k profit you are making, it is still less than 1,500 naira, which is not money, right? So like I said, when I was selling these products, I was selling for 15,000. I used weeks to build my sales page. I used weeks. I did not build any other sales page. I used Wix, wix.com. So if you want to build a sales page, you can. If you don't have money to build a very very a standard sales page, you can use Wix, right? I think the internet it's slow now. So like I said, I use Wix to create my sales page. I use Wix to create my sales page, and after selling about 31 products or so, 31 products for 15k, my sales began to decline. Sales began to go down, began to decline. I would stay in a whole day, I did not get any sale. It was frustrating. Exactly the same thing some of you go through. So what I did was I paused the advert. Okay, I paused the advert. I changed the creative. I made my creative myself. I always do my creative myself. I changed my creative. Okay, I changed the creative. I went to the sales page and I changed the price from 15,000 naira to 18,500. So I changed the price from 15,000 naira to 18,500. So I changed creative, I changed the price, I changed my targeting. Okay, I did not target the whole of Nigeria. I targeted selected places like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Asaba, Benin. I can't recall exactly the place I targeted, but I targeted cities with purchasing power, right? And I changed my targeting. I focused mainly on people who own cars. Do you know the number of cars in Lagos alone or in Nigeria alone? Right? So when I changed the targeting, I changed first of all the creative. I made a new creative. I paid someone to do the creative for me. I showed the person how to use the stuff, and we did the video with just a phone. Next we did was to go to the sales page and change the price from 15k to 18.5. Then I went back to Facebook and did a new targeting. I targeted a new audience and new uh, cities. cities where I had the capacity to do same day delivery, because I sent the products from Lagos to these cities to the delivery guys to hold it for me there, so that once order comes, it is easier to pick up and deliver. It is easier to deliver sharp sharp that same day and get my money that same day. So what happened was that once I set up the ad and the ad was approved, boom, sales picked up. Sales picked up from 15K that was low sales to 18,500. The sales started coming in massively. The sales picked up massively. We were selling out. We were selling. I sold about 200 and something pieces of this product before I moved to another product. Right? After I moved to another product, after some time, I came back to this same product again, and then boom, we sold over 1,000 pieces. I'm telling you, and we're making a profit of over 12K. All right, let's just leave it at 12K. So assuming we were selling, if you now calculate 12K by 1,000 pieces, that should give you about 12 million naira or thereabout, right? That should give, yes, 12K times 1,000 pieces should give you about 12 million naira. So I know what I'm saying. This is a very simple product. Let me show you some videos of this product on Facebook. Exactly. You see, just press that button and the water starts moving. The liquid starts draining or start moving from one point to another. Push the button, it start moving. Push the button. Simple. 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 Oh. As simple as that. You don't even need any complicated stuff to explain this. You can see, right? Instead of pouring the stuff like this and old school stuff, you just push the button, and so people were buying it for their cars because it solved the problem. It met a need for them. Okay, turning water into turning petrol or fuel into turning fuel into your generator became easier. You push the button, it moves it from the gallon to your from the gallon to your generator. The same thing from the gallon to your car. All this time you're sucking with mouth. Old school. You suck. You want drink fuel. You want fuel and food. Old school. Those things are old school, right? So you simply what? You simply use this stuff and transfer liquid from any object to wherever you want to transfer it to. Easy like that. That was the angle we used, especially for car owners. Car and generator, simple, and we sold massively. We made a lot of money selling this product. Now, you that is watching, you can decide, can this product still sell? Would you like to sell this product? I've given you the product, I've given you the name of the product. So you can go on Alibaba, you search for portable electric liquid pump. All right, it's still cheap. So you can test with an advert and see if it will work for you. If it sells for you, congratulations, you are going to make a whole lot of money. If it doesn't sell, no shit, you keep going. But I assure you that products and market has cycles, right? If a product sells today, it can sell next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. All you need is a marketing angle, an angle that will make people want to buy from you. I just showed you this product now. From your own idea, you believe that there's a chance that this product can still sell. It's not by believing, it is by testing. So you can just go and purchase only one, create your own video, test it and see if it's going to sell. And I assure you that you are going to make some money. Honestly, even if it's 300K or 500K you make, it is money. So without wasting time, guys, go ahead now, test it and see if it is something that you would profit from. Personally, I made a lot of profit from it. I'm not going back to sell this again. I've gone beyond selling products that will give me small profits. All right. But here, that's for you. So you do whatever you want to do with this information. I hope you find it helpful, and I hope that you realize that whenever your advert is not giving you the best results, you calm down, you look at it. What can you improve? It comes to three things: creative, offer, targeting. If your advert is not giving you the best results, it comes down to three things: your creative, your offer, and your targeting. Once you get these three things right, you are going to make money using Facebook adverts or Instagram adverts to sell your products. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you have any contributions, I am in the comment section to attend to you. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with as many you know who find it helpful. And I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.